Okay, so we are going to be talking about the Eureka Math Test, the end of module. So we have been doing lots and lots and lots of fractions for a long time. So this is going to be kind of a long test. So obviously, the first thing you need to do is put your name on the test. If you need to take a break during this test, please take a break during the test. Just get up, take a drink of water, go to the bathroom. That being said, please do not lollygag, which means go as slow as you can to take the test. I still want you to be working hard the whole time. Okay, so this question right here, there's lots of different questions that go with it. So listen carefully. Jerry put 7 equally spaced hooks on a straight wire so students could hang up their coats. The whole length is from the first hook to the last hook. At what fraction is Betsy's coat if she hangs it at the halfway point? So you are finding what the halfway point would be. Remember that it's going to start at 0, and you have to think about what fraction starts at 0, and then it's going to go all the way to 1. So you need to find the halfway point and see which of these options would show me that it's halfway. So halfway point between the start and the finish, between 0 and 1. Now, the next several ones are just answering what fraction each of these hooks would be. So you're going to answer, what fraction would A be? You're going to pick that one. What fraction would B be? What fraction would C be? What fraction would D be? What fraction would E be? What fraction would F be? And what fraction would G be? Then it says Jerry and his son have the exact same granola bars. Jerry has eaten 3/6 of his granola bar. His son has eaten 3/8 of his own granola bar. Who has eaten more? So you need to tell me, has Jerry eaten more of his granola bar, or has his son? So you just need to click either Jerry or his son. For this next one, you're actually comparing those two fractions, 3/6 and 3/8. You need to put greater than, less than, or equal to for which one is greater than or less than. So remember, the alligator mouth chomps towards the greater fraction. Okay, next one. Jerry has a fruit roll that is 4 feet long. Label the number line to show how Jerry might cut his fruit roll into pieces 1/3 of a foot long in your journal. Label every fraction on the number line, including renaming the holes. Use your drawing to answer the questions. Name the fraction at letter A. So you're going to draw this on your piece of paper to help you to name them, because I know seeing it on a screen is so hard. So in a journal or a notebook, or even on a whiteboard, write it down, name all of the fractions, even rename the holes. And then you're going to tell me what fraction A is. And then tell me what fraction B is, what fraction C is, what fraction D is, what fraction E is, what fraction F is, what fraction G is, what fraction H is, and what fraction I is. Okay, so the next one, it says Jerry's son says that 1/3 is the same as 2/6. Do you agree? So I would draw this out and figure out if 1/3 is the same as 2/6. And then you're literally just putting yes or no. Now, on the next one, it says the same thing, that Jerry's son says that 1/3 is the same as 2/6. Do you agree? Well, you already answered that. So now You need to use a sentence, capital period sentence, that explains to me why or why not you agree with Jerry's son. A sentence for why or why not. Okay? And then when you get done with that, you are good to submit. Please try your best. Remember, you can go back through this video and pause it at any time so that you can hear me reading the instructions again. And I know you're going to do your best. I know you're going to crush your goals, so get to it.